Keep watching as we unbox these 16 awesome Lego Godzilla dinosaur toys, and we have an awesome stop motion Godzilla battle. Cool.
Welcome to WDTechToys. Have fun.
Wow guys, great to see you again. Today I have 16 Lego surprise Godzilla toys in these giant surprise eggs, surrounded by some pretty awesome Godzillas. If you guys like the monster arts, those two in the front are the monster arts best Godzillas you are going to buy. But anyways, we're not here for those guys, so let's just set these guys aside and let's get right to the eggs, man. They are awesome. So I'll pop these open and let's see what we got. Okay, so for our first one, let's see what we have here. Okay, it looks like a flame Godzilla. You've got a little platform for it to stand on. You've got a Lego body, and then you're gonna put the Godzilla head right on the Lego body. How cool is that? I mean, it's a little Lego body, and then you just pop the Godzilla head on top. I mean, check this out. It's a regular Lego body. Godzilla head on top. Haha! You got an awesome flame Godzilla. Check this guy out. Wow. That is cool, and he's see-through too. I mean, look at that. You can see my finger right through him. Okay, so let's check out the second one. The second one looks like we have a green one. So looks like same deal here. You've got a little Lego body, and then you got a Godzilla head that fits on top. Really cool. I love the way they do that. I mean, it totally transforms it into Godzilla. When I first saw these, I was like, I seen the body, the Lego body. I was like, well, I don't know about that. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, let's see what was in the next egg. Okay, so this one too, we've got, looks like two of them. Ooh, a cool blue one. Okay, so once again, little platform, little Lego body, and you just pop the Godzilla head on top, and you've got a really cool blue see-through Godzilla figure. Wow. Let's zoom in on this guy. Awesome. Like I said, he is see-through too. And then our next one is looks like another green one. Looks like these green ones are the most common. So once again, little Lego body, Godzilla head, and we are good to go. Okay, then our next egg has, oh, looks like we have a whole bunch of them here. And when we're done, we'll go ahead and put them all together and see exactly what we've got. So it looks like this is another green, dark green one. Okay, Lego body, Lego head. Oh, you have to put these on just right. And we are good to go. Ooh, our next one looks really cool. It's like a see-through lime green Godzilla. So, Lego body, Godzilla head, Like I said, I love the way they do these Godzillas. I mean, I had to buy these in China. I mean, no place in the US could I find Godzilla Lego figures, which was really disappointing because I do like Godzilla and these Lego figures are awesome. Once again, as you can see, it is see-through. Okay, then our next one, it looks like another green one. Okay, so it looks like these dark green ones are the most common ones that they have. So let's go ahead and pop his head on. Okay, let's get another egg. Ooh, there's some cool looking ones. Ooh, I'm seeing a red one. That looks awesome. Anyways, let's see. Oh, this looks like another one of the dark green ones. Okay, so I got quite a few of those. I guess the bright colored ones are the rare ones. And the green ones are the more common. Okay, so anyways, let's get this red one. This looks really cool. So, same concept. You've got a see-through Lego body and a Godzilla head that fits on top. As you can see, they also have the print, like of Godzilla, the front of Godzilla printed onto the Lego and little toes back there. So, red, see-through, Lego. Cool. And you can see my finger right through. Okay, then our next one is, it's another one of the dark green ones. I mean, that's what happens in a lot of these surprise packages. I mean, you get a lot. Usually you'll get a lot of repeats of the common ones. No, these ones are not see-through. Okay, well anyways, we have 2 more eggs. Let's see what we got. Okay, we've got something. Okay, so our first one, another dark green Lego one. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to end up with quite a few of these dark green ones, which is cool. I mean, the dark green ones, I mean, that seems to be common, you know, for Lego Godzilla. And our next one, ooh, we've got a really cool gray one with like his back is like purple and red. So here you've got the Lego print, and here you've got the Godzilla head. Oh, cool. And then we had one more, another dark green one. So I am not just opening up the same package, guys. When I'm done, I will show you guys all 16 of these. So. I know it'd be easy for me to just keep repeating the same video. Okay, we've got one more egg. Oh no! King Kong does not like that egg! Oh, he's beating it! Stop, Kong, stop! We need that egg! Calm down, buddy, calm down. You could fight Godzilla later if you want. Let's just see what's in the egg. Okay, so we've got some more. Okay, so in our last pack we have another dark green Godzilla. Wow, we already have 9 of those. So it looks like more than half of ours are going to be this Godzilla. Ooh, this one looks cool. Black Godzilla with its spikes on top are red and purple. Wow, I like this one. This one's got a really cool print on it. Zoom in on that print. That is cool. And then once again, pop the Godzilla head on top and you are good to go. If you want to see these in detail, I will be putting them on my spinner at the end. Okay, then we've got one more up. It's another dark green one. Okay, cool. So I think we got, out of the 16, I think 10 of them are the dark green ones, and 6 are the really colorful see-through ones. Okay, let's bring these little guys on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are the dark green ones, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 other ones. How cool are those? And guys, I do have a lot of Godzilla videos, as you could, and King Kong, as you could see. Those are some of my Godzilla dinos, one of my King Kongs. I got a lot more of both kinds. I really like the Godzilla ones, guys. They are cool. Guys, that was totally awesome. And also, I do have over 1,000 videos, guys, which go ahead and check out my playlist. And also, if you just want to see more Godzilla videos, wait till this video ends and check out the playlist there, guys. click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos. And if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button below for a lot more fun videos. Also, click the bell button to be notified every time I make a new video.